How common is sexless marriage? Have you ever wondered how many marriages might be lacking in sexual intimacy? You might be surprised to learn that sexless marriage is more common than many people think. Experts define a sexless marriage as one where couples have sexual relations fewer than 10 times a year or less than once a month. Research shows that around 15% to 20% of married couples in the United States did not engage in sexual activity over the past year. This statistic means that roughly 1 in 7 married adults experience little to no sexual activity with their spouse within a year. The situation can be even more pronounced among older adults. Studies indicate that about 40% of married individuals aged 57 to 85 reported no sexual activity in the previous year. Generational differences also play a role in this phenomenon. For instance, about 33% of married baby boomers find themselves in sexless marriages, while the rate among younger generations, such as Generation Z, is much lower at around 2.3%. This variation may stem from factors like age, health, and evolving social norms. There are many reasons why couples may find themselves in a sexless marriage. Health issues, low libido, emotional disconnection, stress, and life transitions can all contribute to reduced sexual activity. For example, approximately 12% of midlife women and 7% of women over 65 report low sexual desire, which can lead to decreased intimacy in marriage. From a family relationships perspective, the frequency of sexual intimacy often correlates with overall relationship satisfaction. Couples who engage in sexual activity less than once a week generally report lower happiness levels compared to those who have more frequent sexual encounters. However, it is essential to note that a lack of sexual intimacy does not automatically indicate a failing marriage. Many couples maintain strong emotional bonds and companionship despite low or absent sexual activity. While sexless marriages are not necessarily grounds for divorce, the absence of sexual intimacy can become a significant issue for some spouses. This situation may lead to separation or divorce, often under no-fault grounds like incompatibility. In the context of relationship counseling and therapy, addressing sexless marriage involves exploring underlying causes, improving communication, and finding ways to reconnect both emotionally and physically. Therapists often assist couples in reducing the stigma around discussing sexual issues, helping partners better understand each other's needs and expectations. In summary, sexless marriages affect a notable portion of married couples, especially as they age. This condition impacts family relationships by influencing marital satisfaction and emotional closeness. Recognizing and addressing the issue within the relationship can help couples navigate challenges and maintain a healthy partnership.